Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jenna Charlton and we are finally at Sesotho Fashioning by Ntate Stana today at Maseru Club. And listen, you are about to witness icons and rising stars, okay? I'm talking about Casper Nyovest, Sanere, Ntate Stana, Omali Temba, Morena Sway, and many more. I'm gonna have a little chat with some of them, just to feel how they're feeling about the show and what also Sesotho Fashioning means to them. So stay tuned for that. And big shout out to Ntate Stana for such an amazing show. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so right now I'm with Adizi. He's a rising star, guys. I mean, if you haven't seen him, go on TikTok. Come on, Mr. Tokoza. Hello, how are you?
Hello, sir. Who are you?
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very good, next I expect and it's so amazing, man. I'm so happy.
How did you feel about the crowd, Hounzo perform? Did you expect it?
Yeah, the crowd was amazing fun. I realized that people know me, man.
Definitely. And what does being at an event like this, especially Sesotho Fashioning, promoting our music and our culture, how does it feel to be a part of it? First annual Sesotho Fashioning. This means you are a part of history.
It feels amazing. Especially ke mino e loreng o promote kapa o thusana ha rona hore mathabe mana ba re bone ba realize. So I love this so much. I wish to be part of it even next year.
Definitely. We hope to see you here again next time. And last question, what does Sesotho Fashioning mean to you?
Nagatele ke tsanga teng go re fela re kena culture rona fashioning re kenya rona setso sa rona ka le Basotho o bontsa Basotho rona re boma go bo kenya fashioning ka hohle ka mogwa ka gona go bo kenya fashioning.
Thank you so much.
Please subscribe to JJ Network.
Still at Sesotho Fashioning, and right now I'm with the iconic, the legendary Ntate Apollo Ndabangene. What an honor. Dumela Ntate le kae?
Re teng ha o se o phela jwang?
Ke phela hantle. So tsatsi lena ke Sesotho Fashioning, re celebrate mmino wa rona re le Basotho, Lesotho le Ntate Stana. O ka reng ka tsatsi le?
Wa tseba setlolo sa ka ho utlwa ke fellwa ke matla ha ke tlameha ho bua ka tsatsi lena ho latela boemo bo ke bo bona hona ka tikuda kore ntwe tjena na mona Lesotho ke qala ho e bona ya mme
a so etsa le ho hang sa le etsa mo
e sale ke etswa motho ntwe ka nyena Lesotho bona ke qala ho e bona ma ba ne re le tofeng a tsholo se ka mogao
hectic. So how ntso performer, boholo ba batho ba mona ke batho ba batjha, ba ne ba le siyo ha o no kala journey ya hao ya mmino. Reaction ya bona e ne le bang ha o le staging?
Ke bone batho ba thabileng ka mogho o makatsang haholo hobane ke bona e le batho ba batjha. Nna ke motho wa gale ntse ke dumela go ka go batho bana mona wa bana ba bangata kae ha ke dumele ona le tlhaka ka mona
ho hang. Okay, Ntate re lebo. O ka rata ho reng ho Ntate Stana?
Wa tseba setlolo sa ka ha ke tsebe nang ka re go Stana haholo. Stana ke ngwana wa moyena wa ka wa makwanyane le tsie mane mogotlo ke ba kwena ba hang kopane ya mathula batho bana ke bana ba ka ke mo leboa ha ke tsebe ha kae go re bophelo ya mme.
And do you feel like nahana hore Ntate Stana tsela e a e entseng for rona, especially the musician tsena tse ntjha ho bonolo ha kae hore a etse ntweng because the artists tsa khale I mean what he did opened doors for dibini tse ntjha and everything onana ho bonolo matsatsing a hona tje for mmino wa rona re le Basotho o be as big as it is ho feta mehleng ya lona
wa tseba mme behleng ena ya lona ena ke bona le ha e le ka hara ditlamoru tsena tse ngata tsena lona ke a bona hore le tla phekola boemo bona bo batlang bo jele setsi ke fumana ekare botjheng mona jwale ko hona bo jwale re tla ja e ya mma
ke a leboha ka nnete go kopa go tsokela mohatla hle please thank you so much.
Thank you.
How do you feel le manoti na ke dutse ha ke le teng se fefa ha se khutse tsa esuri ena fela ha di butse se go no ntse hlabana ha di khutse.
It's your boy.
20 we in the house.
What's happening, guys? How y'all feeling?
On network, we feeling fantastic. It's the 5th time, record time.
Oh my God.
Gotta make it right, gotta do it right all the time.
I don't know how I feel about this. A little this a cool carnival.
And I keep moving.
Ramona, we ain't going nowhere.
How you guys feeling the vibe at Sesotho Fashioning?
Yo, big vibe. Everybody came out, So inspiring, man, to see like the whole city, the whole country came out to support Ntate Stana. We did the same thing too, So obviously there has to be more, and it shows that people are really there for each other. So yeah, very inspiring, very, very, very inspiring. Dope turnout.
And how do you feel?
No, listen, Ntate Stana did it. He's a real superstar. Sesotho Fashioning. We're here to support, man. We can't miss anything like that. And hopefully when we have ours too, that we invite and bring Lesotho Kaofela to our party, But we're here, we're glad to be here. We ain't going nowhere, I'm telling you.
Yeah. They said I must ask you guys, what's next after Chelete? Because Chelete is a banger.
Another banger.
After banger. Hey, we the hit boys, let's see, but so I'd be excited if I was you guys. Next year is gonna be magical. It's gonna be a movie.
I don't know how true this is, but I heard a little birdie said that you guys are working on something with Zuchi Coke. Dope, is that true?
Yes, that's true. We are working with Zuchi. People that know Zuchi know that Zuchi doesn't stop with just one song. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be the beautiful project of all time, like the best in the whole wide world, because we're putting a lot of time and effort into it and not trying to rush it, trying to perfect it. So, of course, shout out my big homie Zulo.
And if you had to pick one Stino Le20 song, right, to describe the vibe here, or like represent the vibe here at Sesotho Fashioning, which song would it be?
The song that we have Linda Testana called Monate. Because Monate, why get there? So, man.
We did that. We get to Monate. Shout out to the boy. He's a superhero for real. Yeah.
Shout out. And what would you guys like to say to Ntate Stana?
You did it. You got to do it again.
Sesotho Fashioning.
That's it. Shout out to you guys and thank you so much for joining us again.
Hey yo. You gotta subscribe, you gotta like, and you gotta watch this 5 times. It's J&J Network, you know what it is.
Ke monna toropo mo sibisetswa ka lerato ke metsi tsa go tjhabela tsa mamosa le molapo ke thata ha ke ntwa o hlola le ga a randa putswa le hetleng ke tse thutu e tla mola mo eso
Now I
maseka
am with the talented Adrian. Hello, how are you?
Injani Jenna, you good?
I'm good.
I am Mohammed Joseph.
Shout out to you. You're doing the things out there, hey?
Hey, it's an honor first, and also, it's super exciting to live what you dream about and actually pursue to make it possible. And look at you, you look stunning.
Thank you so much. I look stunning. Relinda stunning.
It's stunning.
Exactly.
Yeah.
How you feel about being a part of Sesotho Fashioning?
It feels amazing, and it's super. Just because I'm working right now, yeah, it's that Marayo. So the vibe is amazing. People are going crazy out here. It's packed. Number one, yeah.
Yeah.
And number 2, I'm super grateful to be here.
For sure.
Yeah, highly. It's the second one, right? Last time I was here last year, the more I'm happy, you know. Support.
What would you like to say to people who are not here today?
You missed out. And you're missing out because I feel like in everything in life, just be in the present moment. And when an opportunity to go to an experience like this comes, if you have the means, just come and have fun, socialize, network, J&J network.
Yeah. What would you like to say to Ndate Stana?
I'd like to say, bro, man, you're inspiring, keep the light, and remember to always pray, man. Yeah.
Shout out. Thank you so much for joining us. And right now I am with Ndate Milo. Hello, Ndate Milo, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm awesome. How are you feeling?
Kana ke thabile haholo fela ke motlotlo ke a itumela ke bona thabo le tsile Basotho ba phalletseng mokete ona rona ka teng. I'm very grateful. Yes.
What did you like the most ka crowd ha ntso perform?
What I liked about the crowd kore ha ga dipina tsene ke di performer ho nona le genre e tswa kantseng seZulu le Sesotho e ke leng so hantle gore ha ba so be relevant le yona hakalo but ba khonne go ba engage ba tsamaya le pina ba emametse for some seconds, from there they float ya ba bona sentse ba bina ka yona. So tabeno la re etsa gore gana le flavor ntse re etsa ntse bontsha Sesotho se tlame se kenelle fashion, so e la etsa ke kutwe ke le motlotlo haholo ke thabile haholo.
And can we expect any new music from you in 2025 because selemo sentse se fedile?
Oh yeah, definitely, most definitely. Pula ya tla ka matlopo fentse re tla rentsha album. Yeah, the same genre that we portrayed there at the stage. So we are only waiting for the right time. Yena ya ukwala selemo.
The features tse ka di lebellang ke difeng?
The features tse ka di lebellang banna ke tse kotsi bo Ndate Senere mono bo Ndate Khumane ba tla kena mono bo Omali Themba ba tla ke re tlo le ka hotle di international. Kana le Mega Milane wa Zimbabwe, kana le Kulenyane wa Botswana, kana le Bomthandazo Kahle ba teng go tla combination ya album mboke wa yona wa
That's a lot of work and we are very excited for it. What would you like to say to Ndate Stana ka mora letsatsi lenana la Sesotho Fashion?
Banna ha ke bua ka Fuki Mmeke nka ga Stana moshimane wa ka ka nete letsatsi le fihlile la magaola ga ngitse pitse di kalangwe re phethe maeto mme di palangwe ke gona bana re teng ke re ho wena I wish you nothing but the best e be letsatsi leo ke letsatsi le legolo haholo le re reng re tshwaya nalane ya mofuta ona wa rona wa mmino wa Sesotho fashioneng mme ka nete re bona go tlotlile re le Basotho kapo re le bemba ba Sesotho o le moetelli pele tabeng tsena mme ka nnete re ka mora dilemo re le ga jala peo ena ya hotle mo ileng teng, but today we are celebrating that. This is the first day we celebrate after we take over the world. So ka nnete re ha di ate mshana eso re tla kopana duma setla
Ka leboha Ndate Milo, thank you so much.